Blashford Lakes is a nature reserve with several hides from which to observe the wildlife on the lakes. There's always something interesting to see, and in January, Sally Oakley Qajar captured a stunning sequence of images of a cormorant attempting to eat a fish. The cormorant had caught the large fish, which was actually a smallish pike, but had difficulty in manoeuvring the fish round so that he or she could swallow it. At first it seemed that the slippery fish might wriggle free and swim away. Then another cormorant appeared, intent on stealing the fish. The first cormorant redoubled its efforts and managed to swallow the fish whole, much to the annoyance of the intruder. Thanks to Sally for sharing these images from Blashford Lakes.